Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to get Windows 7 installed on a computer. Now, I'm not going to be showing you guys the installation part. I'm going to show you guys on how you can make that bootable drive and install it on your computer. So firstly, you're going to need a pen drive. And your pen drive has to be at least 8 GB, like the storage of your pen drive has to be at least 8 GB. And then once you have your pen drive, you want to make sure you have your Windows 7 ISO file. Now, so I downloaded, since there is no more official support for Windows 7, I cannot download it from the Windows, website anymore. I had to go to this website. From here, I got the Windows 7 Ultimate ISO 64-bit. So after you download your ISO, which I have downloaded over here, you want to go over to Rufus. And from here, you want to download this, the first file, Rufus 3.18. After you've done downloading both of them, you want to open up your file and then you want to go to your downloads. Now, once you're in your downloads, from here, you want to open up your Rufus. Yes. Well, I already have it downloaded, but there is some updates, and yeah. Once you open up your Rufus, from here, now you want to connect your pen drive. So let me just go ahead and do that. Alright, so now I have my pen drive booted in. As you can see, it's being shown as ESD USB. So now over here, select your, I'm just want to press on select. From there, we're in download, so I'm just going to select that file. And then partition, whatever. You don't really want to touch most of these. It's going to be a standard installation file. The format's going to change to FAT32-bit. And then you just want to press on start. Like once the status is on ready, you just want to press on start. And it's going to give you a warning that all your data on the pen drive, it's going to get deleted and removed. So you just want to press OK, and then you just want to wait for it to finish. I'll meet you guys once this is done. Alright, so once your drive is complete, you just want to close this. And then you just want to remove your pen drive. You just want to eject it out. And that's it. You have your Windows 7 installation. Now, all you got to do is just boot it up onto any computer. Go to the boot settings and then just install Windows. That's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.